Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to convert an Outlook email into a Word document step by step. Whether we need to edit, print, or save important emails in a document format, this tutorial will help. Now, on the Microsoft Outlook dashboard, all we have to do is choose the email we want to convert. Let's take, for example, the job pair here. All we have to do is drag this one onto the desktop. Once we already have this on the desktop, all we have to do now is open Microsoft Word. Once it is done opening, all we have to do now is click on Insert. Now, once we are in Insert, we will insert this as an object. Locate the object, and then there's a drop-down. Click on Text from File. Now, once we're here, locate the desktop. Then, click on All Files so that it can locate your Outlook email. Here is your Outlook email. Then, double-click that one and wait for it to convert as a Microsoft Word document. We just have to wait. It may take some time, depending. As you can see, your email is now here. All we have to do is configure this according to our preferences. Now, the purpose of this is to help us transfer Outlook email content into Microsoft Word using simple copy, save, or export methods. This will guide us through the process, so we can create editable Word documents from our emails quickly and easily. And that's it. We now know how to convert an Outlook email into a Word document.